In the previous tutorial, we have seen how we can download and install XAMPP server. In this tutorial, we will see what the syntax of PHP looks like and see how we can implement HTML in our PHP and see a Hello World program using PHP. So for that, we will be using XAMPP server. So we have installed XAMPP server in the previous tutorial inside our local disk C and XAMPP. Then this is where you can get your XAMPP control panel. Now inside this control panel, in this control panel you get this modules. We need this Apache to get started, and this one, MySQL, is a database. We're not going to use it for now, but we can start it together with Apache. Then first things first, let's talk about PHP first. So PHP is used to create dynamic websites, usually used for that, but it has so many applications nowadays. So it runs in this server called Apache. This is a local server. We'll be running on a local server. So let us see what the syntax of PHP looks like. Let's go to a folder called htdocs, and let's create a folder called YouTube for this purpose. You can call it anything. So let's open in terminal. You can open it using any text editor you want. As always, I love to use VS Code, so it's just personal preference. You can use any text editor you want. So let's create an index.php file. Now our website will go directly to this index.php file. Let's open the index.php file. So for that, you just need to open your browser, okay, and just give it localhost. In the URL, you just type localhost / then the name of your website. In my case, the name of your website means the name of the folder you created inside htdocs. So in my case, it is YouTube. I'll be opening YouTube. Okay, so this is my website. To check if my website is working or not, I just can say check and save, and come here and refresh. You can see it's working, so fine. Let's first see what a PHP syntax looks like. To write our PHP syntax, we need a less than sign, then a question mark, then PHP, then close it with a question mark and a greater than sign. So this is what our PHP code looks like. I mean, this is what our starter PHP code looks like. You write all your PHP code inside of this code. So let's, for example, have a hello world. Okay, so don't forget to put semicolons at the end of statements, but we will see more about them in the next couple of tutorials, so don't worry. Let's just save it and refresh. You can see hello world. Okay, now the beautiful thing about PHP is you can write HTML inside PHP and PHP inside HTML. So for example, you can have an HTML here, you can have a PHP up there, and maybe you want to write some PHP inside your body. Okay, so you can do it this way, or you can even do it in your title. If you're echoing, you don't need to write PHP. You can use the equal sign, then you can echo Okay, this is the title of your website. So oh, sorry, what am I writing? Okay, now it's fine. So if you are echoing, you don't need to write this PHP. You just need to declare it this way, is equal to. So anyways, this is the introduction. So in the next tutorials, if you want to know more about PHP variables and um, the scope of variables, case sensitivities, and more, you can see the next video. Thank you so much for watching.